ENGL307T students. This is your professor, Dr. DePew again. Just want to give you an update on what we're doing. Don't forget, we just finished the application analysis and we are now transitioning to the application instructions. So it is two different assignments. I have encouraged you to use the same application if you are doing a multimodal writing application. If you did an analysis on an application that is not multimodal writing, you will need to switch to a different application. And that's perfectly fine. Note that, again, what we're trying to do is create a pool of applications and functions within those applications that you and your peers can draw upon in order to write your final project. And the final project is you are creating a multimodal text. With that being said, with the instructions, we've looked at some readings and a video on creating instructions, also looking at issues of usability. Also, we looked at a article about multimodal text. So it kind of gives you a sense of what's possible in terms of where we are going with this project. But the green article gave you a sense of how usability connects to affordances. What we are doing with this project is you are going to be writing up some instructions. Now, you're probably thinking, Dr. DePew, why do I need to write up instructions when I can just go on the internet and do this? I can go to Google, I can type in how to do closed captions for TikTok. And I get instruction, AI gives me instructions. I have videos, I have Reddit chats. Why do I need to do this? Anybody could do this just by doing a Google search. What I want you to do is, and this is the important part of this assignment, is I want you to become aware of the audience of these instructions. So what you are going to do is, after you go through and practice that function, and then you're going to go through and write them up, or you're going to create a video. If you write them, you can include visuals as well, some screenshots. If you do a video, you want to do screen capturing. So you could do one of two, you could create one of two products, a written product, a video product. What I then want you to do, once you have those products, is I want you to do a usability test of your instructions. Now notice, what you are doing is you are testing your instructions. You are not testing the participants. You are not testing the software. You are testing your instructions. And that's the important lesson of this assignment, is for you to be able to write instructions for a specific audience, and you're trying to mimic an audience of your class, and you are going to test those instructions, get feedback from those tests, and then after you get feedback from those tests, you're going to revise those instructions based upon what your two participants for the usability test say. So again, just want to reiterate, not testing the application, not testing the participant. You are testing your instructions with a participant who's working with the application. So you're basically trying to learn, did I write these instructions well enough? Some of these applications that you may see here, or some of these instructions that you may see here might not be done well. Or they might be old. They might not have the most recent interface for some of these applications. So you're creating instructions for the most recent interfaces and ones that are targeted to an audience of your class. And if you want to get a sense of an audience of the class, you can go back to the inclusive introduction at the beginning of class and kind of reintroduce yourself to the class and read through those and see, okay, this is who my classmates seem to be. So that is what we are doing. So as you read Hertzum's going to be talking about other products, but there's not a lot in there about testing instructions. So you want to be thinking about how can you apply what he is talking about in terms of usability to the testing of instructions. So if you have any questions, I encourage you to talk to me. You can contact me via email, kdepew@odu.edu, or you can contact me through Canvas. And don't forget, I will have my drop-in discuss this Tuesday, 10:30 to noon, and then again from 2 to 3:30. I look forward to reading what you produce and giving you some feedback to help you on your way. Take care.